factors. Points to be discussed here are finding the factors, finding common factor, prime factorization, and highest common factor. Remember, if a number is divided by its factor, the remainder is 0. Let us consider the number 28. 28 is equal to 28 comes in the table of 4, that is 4 into 7 is equal to 20. So 4 and 7 are factors of 28. Is this clear? Yes. Similarly, 1 multiplied 28 is equal to 28. 1 and 28 are the factors. Next is 2 multiply 14 is equal to 28. These are the factors. So 1, 2, 28 and 14 are the factors of 28. Now you think and answer me. Is there any other factor of 28? Can it be 3, 5, 9, 8, 10, 11? No. There is no other factor of 28. So we can say that 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28 are all factors of 28. Properties of factors. Every number can be written as a product of 1 and the number itself. For example, 21. 1 multiply 21. So 1 is a factor of 21 and itself 21 is a factor of 21. Another example is 23. That is 1 multiply 23. The same you have experienced 1 and 23. Only these two numbers are factors of 23. I want to ask one question, that does 23 comes in another table? Can you think? Table of 2, table of 3, table of 4? No. 23 does not come in any other table. So this is a factor of, its factors are 1 and 23. Thus 1 is a factor of every number. Every number other than 0 is a factor of itself. The number can be written as a product of 0 or any number. Example, 0 is equal to 0 multiply 2. 0 is equal to 0 multiply 29. Thus, every number is a factor of 0. A factor of number other than 0 is either less than or equal to the number. Now, let us experience with the help of examples. Let us write all the factors of 21. 21 is equal to 1 multiply 21. 21 is equal to 3 multiply 7. No other table is there in which 21 comes. 21 comes in table of 2. No. Table of 3? Yes. Table of 4? No. Table of 5? No. In this way, we shall come to the point that there is factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. The another example is, let us write all the factors of 24. So let us start thinking from number 1. 24 is equal to 1. Multiply 24. Then we shall take 2. Yes, 2 multiply 12. Then we shall think about 3. Yes, 3 multiply 8. Next we shall think table of 4. Yes, 4 multiply 6. 7. No, 24 does not come in 7. 8. Yes, 8 multiply by 3. We are seeing that this is repeated multiplication. So we shall not continue and we shall take all the multiples of this, that are the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Obviously the highest common factor 24 are all factors of 24. Here you can experience that 1 is the factor of every number we have done earlier also. And highest factor is the number itself. Let's practice. What is the greatest factor of a number? We have experienced 1. What is the greatest factor of a number? That is the number itself. So we can say every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. For example, factors of 2 are 1 and 2, and factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. But factors can never be more than the number given to you. Point to remember is, factors can never be the greater than the number given to you. Let's try out the next example, that is, write the factors of the given number. The number here is 144, yes, bigger number. So what we shall with these numbers to find the factors? We don't know the table of 144. So what we shall do? We shall divide in rough and find out that 144 divided by 4. So we shall get the answer 2 multiply 72. Then we shall divide 144 by 3. Then we will get the answer that 3 multiply 48. Same as 4 multiply 36, 6 multiply 24, 8 multiply 18, and 9 multiply 16, and 12 multiply 12. We shall stop when we will get the reverse number. So now we shall write the numbers on the both side of multiplication mark. On the one side there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 12. Now the next side we shall start from the down side. 12 we have already done. 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72 and 144. In this way we can say the factors of 144 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 24, 36, 48, 72 and the biggest one is 144. Here you can experience also all the numbers are less than the number given to you. All are less than 144? Yes or no? Yes, all are less than 144. Here you can experience this also. 1 is the smallest factor and number itself 144 is the factor that is the highest or greatest factor of the number given. Now in this we shall experience that the number you multiply to get another number. With the help of this box you will come to know that 6 and 4 are the factors of 24. They are the pairs. Same as pairs of some other numbers are two numbers multiplied together to make a given number. We take example of 24 only. 1 and 24 is equal to 24. So 1 and 24 are the pairs of 24. 2 multiply 12. 2 12s are 24. That means 2 and 12 are the pairs that make 24. Same as 3 and 8 makes 24. Same as 4 and 6 make 24. So we can say that these are the pairs of this number and these are the factors also. Now the next comes, we have done factors. Now the next question comes, common factor. So how to find out common factor? Here we are doing with question 21 and 26. There will be two numbers given to you, then only you can compare the common factor. Common means that comes in all. Means all the digits that you are taking to identify the factors that should come in all numbers. Suppose the factor of 21, factor of 26. That number should be in 21 also. That number should be in 26 also. If there is another third number, that number should be in another third also. So here we have two numbers. So we shall do factors of 21 that are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Factors of 26 are 1, 2, 13 and 26. Now you compare both the lines 21 and 26. 1 is in both the lines. Yes. Is 3 in both the lines? No. 7? No. 21? No. The other numbers are not matching to the both. There is only number 1 that is the factor of 21 and 26 also. So we can say 1 is the common factor of 21 and 26. Hope you have understood. Now there is a worksheet of finding factor. Examples are given to you above. With the help of these examples, you have to find all the factors for each number. List them in order from least to greatest, means the smallest factor to the greatest factor. Try to find out in your notebook. Now in factors, next question comes to make a factor tree. How to make a factor tree? The number given here is 60. You can see that there is tree-like figure 60 in circle and downward to it are some numbers. So first of all, we need to find out the LCM method that is given on right hand side. Okay, we shall divide 60 by 2. 2 3 is 6 and 0 is 0. Then again we shall divide with the smallest number 2. 2 15s are 30. So there will be 15. Now 15 cannot be divided by 2. So we shall divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15. Then after 5 1s are 5. In this way we shall take the LCM that is at the right hand given to you. Then after, with the help of this LCM, make a factor tree. It's very simple. You will write that 2 multiply 30. As you can see in the box given on left hand side. 2 is circled and 30. 2 30 ja 60. Now what is the common factor of 30? Is 2 15 ja 30. Now 15, 3 5s are 50. In this way we have got this factor tree that 60 is divided into 2 multiply 30 and 30 is divided into 2 multiply 15 and 15 is divided by 3 multiply 5. In this way we can find this factor tree. If we start with the factor tree from the down side, we shall see that 3 5s are 15. Go upwards. Reread this factor tree. 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30 and 30 2s are 60. If you find this, recheck, then your factor tree is correct. Here is another factor tree of 240. Let's check it from the downside. 3 5s are 15. We'll go upward. Then 15 2s are 30. Then go upward. 30 2s are 60. Then go upward. 62 is 120. Go upward. 120 2s are 240. In this way, our factor tree is correct. We can recheck our answer. Here is again the next question comes about factor tree, that is finding highest or greatest common factor. So example are here given to you of the factor tree. As I have told you to make the factor tree, firstly you need to make the factor tree. Then find the prime factors that are common in both the numbers. 24, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. And 36, 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Greatest common factor here are given in both. Common means given in both the numbers. 2, then again 2 and then 3. We will multiply that right as it is written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. So the greatest or highest common factor is 12. Now we shall review how we have find out the factor. How we have done HCF and or GCF. There are various methods to find the HCF, highest common factor, or GCF, greatest common factor. Number 1. List out all the factors of each number. What we have started with? We have started with the factor of each number. We have listed that in the previous slide. And select the largest factor that we have selected in the previous slide. That is common to all the lists. In next slide we have done the list of the largest factor. Then number 2, use prime factors of factor tree. We have find out the factor tree also. Then use division ladder method. We did that. In this way we can find the highest common factor or the greatest common factor, that is known as HCF or GCF. Here is again one worksheet. You have to find the HCF of the following. For HCF, there are two numbers given. Firstly, you have to find out the factor of one number, one digit given to you. Then after, factors of the other digit given to you. Then you have to circle all the common factors given in both the lists. Don't forget to circle the numbers given in both the lists. Take them out, multiply them, and then you will get the HCF, highest common factor. Try out the whole worksheet. Find any doubt, consult to the teacher or give comment in the comment box. Now we are again with the next experience, next number to find out highest common factor. You can experience here what we have done first. We have listed out the factors of number 24 and factors of number 36. Then we have circled that the common factors. After multiplying all common factors, we get the highest common factor. And the highest common factor there is 20 and there is 12. So you can see the factor tree also we have find out to make the common factor. Firstly, we have listed the common factors of 24, then factors of 24, then factors of 36, then taken out common factors of both, multiplied them, then we have found the highest factor, that is 12. HCF using repeated division. By repeated division by LCM method also we can find out the HCF. Now, for the factors, what should be on our fingertips? Number 1 is the factor of every number. You may have experienced in all the examples. Number 2, every number is a factor of itself. That also you must have experienced in all the examples given you previously. Number 3, a number always has fixed number of factors. Fixed number of factors means cannot be more than that. Means cannot be more than the number given to you. Next is the greatest. All the factors are less than the number given. Yes, it is. Next is the greatest factor is number itself, and the smallest factor is always 1. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. Now, after too much brainstorming, it's activity time. So we should try out this activity again and again. We have experience with the number 24. So we shall do this activity of finding our own rainbows of factors. Let us try out this activity. This activity will help you to experience mathematics factors in the life. If you have any doubt, please ask. Read the instructions of activity very carefully and then do it. You are free to get any number of your choice.